Hey there everyone, I'm Amanda and today I'm here to show you the 3-piece mixing bowl set from Oxo. These great mixing bowls are made with stainless steel construction. You have 3 different sizes, a 1.5, 3, and 5 quart, and they nest for a very easy storage. One of my favorite parts is that they each have this non-skid bottom, so when you're mixing up your goodies, they're going to stay right in place and allow you to mix up without moving at all, which is a really, really cool feature. They're going to make sure that everything is mixed properly, and they even have a non-odor resistance, so you don't have to worry about them staining or getting stinky. Now you can mix all of your baked goods to perfection, and my favorite part, they're not gonna slide around. It's awesome. Check it out, it's from Oxo.